Guys, we're in the middle of nowhere. In the middle of nowhere. Kerry, oh yeah, God, if you see one beer.
Play dead.
Play dead?
Yeah, there's a
play dead. Our sense of direction is good. So we are follow our lead. And I'm black people shit. So we're creating memories apparently. This is Johnson's Lake in Alberta. Just an hour and a half away from Calgary. No, yeah, it look like one house. We could go a little bit close. Exia said, don't. I want to hear that? Woodland with it. Woodland. Kerry said there's a part to it. We're gonna go investigate. White shit. White people shit. White people shit. Somebody live over this, so?
There's a writing up.
Me not have on the right shoes. Watch it. Kerry, me never plan for coming to the forest. Me plan for coming to the beach. We reached this far. A bear do this?
Trevor, a beer do this?
Blood cleat, come on. But honestly, the hot. See what we there? This is history.
Built in 1910. Living as a recluse here for 27 years. Originally from England, he worked occasionally at the mines. His only acquaintance was the mall owner of the market. They maintained it. You hear a crackle?
Yeah. Kerry, I'm ready for go. Come. Guys, this feels very eerie. Very creepy. Very hillbilly. Me tell us a beer upon it. Beer. See it there?
So, I want to see what that one they said on this.
Don't they say where it said don't enter?
They read it. But that's why I have a big red sign.
Come on.
Reserved for wildlife.
Me don't feel good about this, you know, Kerry. Yeah. We are angle and triangle at the lake here today. Every angle. Because this is the crazy hike Kerry has taken me on. You came to look for us? You come. You come to see me.
Of course, because we not even call answer nothing.
We couldn't call. We were in the woods with no signal.